What is up? So today is another day. It's actually Memorial Day. So thank you to all of those who have served and fought for our freedoms. Yeah, guess what? We're going somewhere, but we gotta grab something out of the truck. And we took this out of the truck the other day because, well, we might have needed it. So we got some goodies, some tow stuff. You never know when you're gonna need it. And today's one of those trips where we don't know if we're gonna need it or not. But here we go. Check out the views. All right, here we go. Throw that in the back of the Jeep. And now we're just waiting on Handbrake Jake to show up. And then we're gonna go on a little adventure. So stay tuned. What is up, everybody? Check it out. We're gonna go see what Jake's doing today. Oh, hey! You guys ready for an adventure? We're gonna go on an adventure. See this? I got this. We're gonna let some air out of Handbrake Jake's tires. All right, folks. We are gonna let a little bit of air out of Handbrake Jake's tires because it's another day. It's another day for an adventure. Speaking of, it's actually Memorial Day. God bless everybody. And let's get to it. Stay tuned. We're gonna go up on a pole and see how far we can go. And we got the recovery gear in the back for the Jeep.
Oh, good. We might need that if I'm behind you.
Just in case. All right, we're gonna go down to about 20.
Dude, you should have seen me trying to get these back on yesterday at the Maverick.
Yeah?
Oh,
We're gonna disconnect his sway bars. Oh yeah, look at that. We're ready to flex.
But I already put it on. Dad.
Marky, you have a drink?
Yeah. Dad. Once you spray your face. Dad. Once you spray your face, you gotta go. Like red.
Oh yeah. Folks, here we go. Monopole Road. We're gonna toss it into 4 low. looks like this is the end of the road, folks. We're gonna pull off the road here in just a sec. Whoa, whoa. You're gonna hit. Oh, ooh. You're good right there, dude. Woo. All right, folks. Let's go scope out the Avalanche, I guess. I thought we'd at least make it up to the flat area, but we're not gonna make it up there. Well, there's our Jeeps. Here's the Avalanche. Man, that is crazy daisy. Just all these trees. Look at that. They're all just snapped off. Alright, we're gonna go see what's on the other side of the road here. And break Jake he actually got his Jeep up over here. We're just gonna go back.
What?
Not!
You're okay.
We're gonna come back one day with chainsaws and we're gonna try to help get this mess out of here.
What are we doing now?
Don't tell the Forest Service. Beautiful views. So our Jeeps are down there. We had to crawl across. Beep, beep.
Send it down the river.
Squeezy. Squeezy.
Send what?
The Jeeps are, the Avalanche is right there. All right, guys. This is what we're calling funzercise. It's exercise, but it's fun because we're out in nature, we're hiking, and it's beautiful. So, funzercise. That's what we're doing today. All right, so funzercise turned into a little more than we anticipated, but check out these views. So looks like we had avalanche come down multiple spots. It's kind of crazy though, the amount of destruction these avalanches can do. But I think the other meadow's up just above there. So from the road we go around another little bend. Well, it's probably about another half mile to a mile. But this is bug in my ear. Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Damn, son.
Yeah, right? So, right about here, for those of you who know Mona Pole, this is the area of the avalanche. I'd say it's about a mile, half mile to a mile before the little meadow. But, yeah, check that out. It's going under the road. Our Jeeps are way over there. Whoop! She just slipped. But yeah, look at that. Alright, this is where we park the vehiculars. Jeeps. We'll be jeeping. Bless you. handbrake jig. We got the fam, minus Brianna. She's gone. But Jeep did pretty good. How's your gearing in that?
Pretty good.
Do you know what the gears are?
I think they're like the low 3s. I can't remember.
No, you gotta have at least 4s. I think that's geared at 533. So I've got 533s in that.
I didn't have to brake really until you guys were braking.
Yeah. So I'm guessing you got a good low gear.
That did good.
I noticed in my first gear, I think I have a low and a high, because if I stopped, man, I just was first gear all the way, just group. But if I got in the higher RPMs in first gear, it's almost like it almost felt like a shift.
So mine,
But I was still in first gear.
First notch is first, second, and then the next notch is third.
Oh, I've got a thing where I can just lock it into first. And yeah, I don't know. And then when I'd slow down and stop, it just, man, it would crawl. Anyways, check out these views. We're going home. That's it for today. I don't know what else we're gonna do. Go sit around, eat, get fat. I don't know. But we were up there. So we went up this little canyon and we went up there. And it was fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Jake had fun.
Good time.
I think he brought his camera. You saw earlier. I think we can expect something from him later.
Safe to assume.
Okay, so one of these days we'll see a video of this with him. But yeah, it might be a while. But smile, and go buy things like this if you can afford it. And if you can't afford it, just work a little harder. Find some ways to make some money. Go pick up dog poop. Go sell some fertilizer. Go sell rocks. Look, there's a rock quarry right there. They literally sell rocks, and look how big they are. They make millions of dollars. So anyways, all right, we're out of here. Peace, have fun, and smile. Enjoy life. Enjoy it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back.